it's Kimberly from Recipes for Success in partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. And we're here today to talk to you about a new series, quick and easy after school snacks. And don't tell anyone, but they're good for you. Just shh, you and me, right? Just you and me. That's our secret. Okay, the first thing I want to talk to you about is just a really quick thing you can cook up. Didn't need a lot of preparation, but it's so yummy. And the thing is, you can actually make a whole week's worth in one go. That's what I like to do. We start with toasted oats. I just use about 2 cups of this. And if you want, you can also add in some regular old oatmeal. It tastes great in this. Then we're going to add a little bit of dried fruit. Now today I'm using dried pineapple. Why? I love it. But you can use whatever you like. Alright. Then we're going to use pumpkin seeds. It's getting that time. And I just love the taste and crunch and just a little bit of saltiness that's in pumpkin seeds. I'm going to use some toasted pine nuts. I went ahead and toasted these up. If you don't have pine nuts, that's fine. You can use pecans, cashews, or anything just to give it a little bit of crunch. And you're going to look at this and go, well, that's pretty good, but so far you just got a whole bunch of stuff. What makes it just not a whole handful of bits? What we're going to do is take a little bit of brown sugar. In this case, I use about 2 tablespoons, which is not a lot. We're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're going to, by the way, always be careful to close your oil properly, which is sometimes harder than it seems. The reason why is that if you don't close it very, very well, what happens is that either bugs get into it or worse, you're just going to tip over and you're going to get oil all over your kitchen. Nothing is harder to clean up. All right, now I'm just going to take my brown sugar and my oil and I'm going to whisk it together for a few minutes. And it's going to kind of make sort of a honey consistency. And when I think I've got it all done enough, I'm going to stir it for another minute. Now, I want to talk to you while I'm stirring. The reason why I'm using toasted oat cereal, oats are a really great whole grain. And anytime you get a grain, whenever you can, make sure it's a whole grain. Popcorn's a great whole grain. Oatmeal's a great whole grain. Toasted oat cereal is. A lot of the cereals you get out there, they're so full of sugar, and that we all know it's not good for you. Now, I'm not saying sugar isn't, I just use some sugar, but a little bit of sugar is fine. But when you start talking about a whole lot of sugar, it's just going to be bad for you. It's going to be bad for your teeth. It's going to be bad for your health. It's going to be bad for your brain. So, what we're going to do, we're going to make the best stew we can. So we're going to take this mixture, and if you want, you can add, it's fall, right? So we're getting into that cinnamon spice, pumpkin spice, everything. You can actually, I made a batch the other week where I added some apple pie spice to it. Just a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, a little clove, and it was amazing. You wouldn't believe how great it was. And what you're going to do is just whisk this up really well until everything's good and coated. It takes a minute or 2, so don't be impatient. But then when it's all done, you're going to spread it on a cookie sheet, well, on a piece of parchment, on a cookie sheet. And you're going to get this all spread out nice and on one single layer. And you're just going to spread this out. Spread it, 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 spread it. And then I'm going to go over here and pop it in the oven. What you come up with is this. This is just a trail mix sort of thing, but it's in nice, lovely chunks. Once it comes out of the oven, you let it cool. I cook it for about 30 minutes, but I let it cool for a full hour. And then get these lovely little clusters of gumminess. So good, so easy. You make a huge batch. You don't want to eat too much of this at a time, but it's as great and as easy as eating popcorn. Makes a great Energy-filled after-school snack. Give it a try. You'll love it. See you next time.